Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be taking you through my morning routine and I have a very busy day. So my name is Danielle and I am Miss Happy Housewife. I'm a 1950s housewife trying to make it in a modern world. Let me show you what I did this morning. So I start my day with coffee just like anyone else, but as it's going, that's when I start to unload the dishwasher. I've gotten rid of most of my onesies, but I still have a couple and I only wear them when I'm drinking my coffee. Now that my coffee's done, I like to sit down. This is my only quiet time that I really have, is in the mornings with my coffee. And of course, there's my dogs. They live a hard life, let me tell you. They live a very hard life. I don't know what to do with them. So, cheers. After I'm done with my coffee, I go to wake up my daughter. This is actually one of like 3 times that I tried to wake her up. And honestly, she's not really feeling that well, so she stayed home. Next, I will go in and I will swish and swipe out the toilets and also usually the bathroom counters, but I didn't have time for that. So I started in the master bathroom and then I went right over to the guest bathroom and did that one. Once those are done, then it's time for me to go take a shower. Honestly, I know that my hair is wet here. I know it was raining, so I didn't want to mess with my hair too much. Right after that, I will put on my shoes. And no matter what I'm doing that day, I'm always putting on my shoes. As you can see, Princess here, she always wants to be in front of this camera. She is my ride or die. She does just about everything with me together. Now it's off to make the bed. This is so easy when you have a comforter or a duvet, or in this case, just a heating blanket. All you really have to do is just pull up the covers, put up that top cover, and the bed is made. So that was my morning routine. I didn't get to do all of it because I'm headed off to an appointment, but that's pretty much the bulk of it. If you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and click on the videos that are going to be on your right. And if you want to go and subscribe to my channel, follow me along my journey, then go ahead and click on my face to the left and hit the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when I have a video come out. So thank you so much for watching, and I gotta run. You guys have a great day.